So you gotta just go. What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in South Miami, the neighborhood in Miami, Florida where I grew up. And today I'm taking you to eat some very spicy Thai dishes here at Eat Thai Noodle House. If you know me, you know how much I love Thailand. I have been to Thailand many times and the food there is just amazing and it's super spicy. And in Thailand the way it works is like 1 chili, 2 chili, 3 chili. And if you're Western, you have to go with 0 chilies because it's always super hot. Even with no chilies, it's really hot. So here they told me it's medium, hot, and Thai hot. I'm super excited. My favorite Thai dish is papaya salad. Right now I'm meeting with Natalia. She's gonna cook up a feast for us. I can't wait. Natalia.
Yes.
I'm super excited. I'm super excited. So the way we're starting today is with a singha. This is Thai beer. Super refreshing. It's perfect in Thailand because Thailand's so hot, and right now in Miami it's like 95 degrees. As you can tell, I'm sweating a lot.
My name is Tommy and welcome to Eat Thai. My wife and I opened this restaurant about a year and 4 months ago maybe. We do cook very authentic Thai food that can be made either very mild or extremely spicy. And as you can tell in a little bit how spicy David likes to eat. Let's see, we had the papaya salad, which is a very, very traditional Thai salad made with green papaya. Nice and light, refreshing. Again, it can be spicy or it can be mild. And then you had our homemade Thai style wings with our homemade sauce, which is really, really addictive. And then I think we went to where? We went to the Khar Ramen, right? The Khar Ramen is something we just came up with about 2 months ago. That is absolutely delicious too. That has the grilled shrimp, ground chicken, Chinese broccoli, mushrooms, scallions, bean sprouts. Everything is all cooked into a Thai lemongrass coconut milk broth. So it has that really sour, savory, spicy taste to it. And then from there we went to where the Hor Mok. The salmon Hor Mok, one of my favorite personal dish on the menu. That is basically steamed salmon inside a Thai red curry sauce with some fresh basil, some kaffir lime leaves. Another one of my go-to is the Kra Prao, which is also a very, very traditional Thai dish in Thailand. It's made with either ground beef or ground chicken. We made it with ground beef, with green beans, with bamboo shoots, with onions, and everything got stir-fried in a chili garlic sauce, or fresh chili and garlic, and is topped with a fried egg, right? And then the last one is the most popular dish in any Thai restaurant, is pad Thai. That was made with chicken, it has ground peanuts, it has scallions and bean sprout. Our pad Thai is probably one of the best around.
So the first dish we're starting with is papaya salad. This is my favorite dish in Thailand. I eat this like twice a day when I'm in Bangkok. It's so refreshing, especially fighting the heat in Thailand. And it's also very spicy. This is medium, so this is medium, so this is 2 chilies. We have green papaya, tomato, green bean, garlic, peanut, and lime juice, and then they mix and toss together. I'm super excited. I can't wait. This is like my favorite thing ever. Oh my god, here we go. Look at this. This is. Oh.
If you like more spicy, you can add on.
Wow. If I close my eyes, I'm in Bangkok. For real. It's like, just takes you back there. It's really hard to find a good papaya salad and really authentic and almost the same taste, and it has exactly that. It's a little spicy, not too bad. 2 chilies, I can throw some more spice into it. This is what we use here. Oh. Ooh, it's gonna be hot. Oh my god.
So like,
It's super, super good, and I added some chilies. I had to. No, it's amazing. It's super refreshing too, like with the heat outside. Oh my god. The problem is you can eat forever of this, you know? Because it's super healthy. The tomato also gives it another like refreshing touch.
Yeah.
Woo! It's getting hot. Need some singa to like calm it down. I'm like baking now. You gotta be careful when you eat spicy though, because if you eat spicy like all day, get acid reflux, and it's like, this is my favorite place in Thailand. Oh, yeah, I need a second. I need like to breathe.
You gotta love the spice.
It's one thing that I never really see in Miami is the green papaya, because here we have like the orange style, you know? Ooh. Oh my God, it's amazing. Go to the end, just eat everything. Look at that. Oh. Like amazing. Wow.
Fresh, made to order.
Next up, we have their hot chicken wings. They use a secret sauce and the caramelized sriracha with it. Ooh. These wings look, oh my God, they're sticky. It's like, it feels like there's honey in it. Still really hot. Ooh, the ginger gives it a nice like touch. It helps you like combat the heat. Oh, this is delicious. Mouth-watering. Still really hot though.
Yeah.
Like it's been there for a bit. It's still really hot. Oh man, I'm in love with it. I didn't really eat chicken wings though in Thailand, but
No.
wow. And it's just like so sticky and like honey glaze on top. Oh, look at that. These are probably one of the best wings I've ever had. Like for real, this is so good.
For real, it's hard to.
Usually like in the States, chicken wings have like all these sauces. This doesn't. This has like a nice hot sauce with caramelized sriracha, right? You said the wings like out of this world. It's still really hot. Oh my God. Oh, you just rip it apart like that. Oh my God. I'm gonna call it the best wings in Miami. All right, so here we have our third dish, the Khar Ramen, and a lot of chili. It's like a lot. It's like all over the place. Ooh, right there, just mix it in.
Yes.
Oh, this reminds me of Alaxa. Like, I love this. I love the taste. Coconut in here as well?
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk, exactly. Oh man, that's delicious. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Chinese broccoli. It's very refreshing. Then like I said, it's very similar in a way to a laksa. Pick it up. Not too spicy though. You gotta add some spice here. So you gotta just go. Just gotta mix it in. I mean, look, when you like spicy, everything needs to have spice. I love the combination of the Chinese broccoli with the noodles, the mushrooms, the chicken, and the poached egg, and the coconut milk just gives it a perfect taste. That's the spice right there. Wow. I'm in love with this one. This is like really amazing. My favorite thing about this bowl is you can just drink it. Oh man, coconut milk is so good. Spicy. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna keep this for later. So this is
Hor Mok.
Hor Mok. Okay, we just saw the whole process how they did it, right?
Just gonna peel everything back.
Okay. Once it's open. Wow.
You have spoon.
There you go.
Oh, incredible. This is a pretty special dish. It's Hor Mok, steamed salmon in a Thai curry sauce. Okay, wow, it just like fell apart there. Spicy? I love the curry taste in there. Wow, what they're saying is to put it obviously always with rice. I mean, I think most Thai dishes usually have to go with rice, you know? It's crazy. Wow, this mix right now is like a bomb. No, it just looks incredible. Look at that. Oh man. The Thai fish sauce with chilies, with salmon curry and the rice. Get new to this. Woo! That's hot. That's like insane. What really cool thing about this is that you barely can find this dish in any other Thai restaurant in America. I mean, very rarely do you find it.
Yeah.
This is so good. It has to have this though, like
Yeah, that gives it that extra
like ting.
umami.
Umami.
I eat that stuff with it.
So here we have Kra Prao, and it is rice, ground beef, bamboo shoots, green beans, onions, Stir fry with garlic chili sauce. On top with a fried egg. Very refreshing. Green bean, bamboo shoot, ground beef. This is so amazing. I love the mix. Not too hot, but now we're gonna break the egg. Mix that yolk all throughout.
Yeah, the yolk and the...
Yeah, it has to go in there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get some of this. There's another cuisine I could eat like almost every day. I love spicy. I'm all about it. Alright, that was hot. With the yolk running through the whole thing, it's like the icing on the cake, the yolk. Another amazing dish. Damn, are you going like Thai hot on me on this?
Yes, that works pretty hot.
Oh my god. So here we have the most popular Thai dish in the world. It is called Pad Thai. It's the most popular dish here. So I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. It's like sweet noodles. This is the go-to dish in the Western world when you go to Thai restaurants. And this one we have it no spice because I'm gonna take it home to my wife because I know she loves this. The lime juice gives it a nice little kick at the end. Thai heaven. So we had to go with dessert, right? This is not spicy, but it is like an Indian style dessert because it's roti, condensed milk, and vanilla ice cream. The reason we're eating this in a Thai restaurant is because in southern Thailand there's a big Indian population. Wow, this looks amazing. It's been a while since I've had roti. So you said, pick it up like a little pizza.
Right.
A little scoop, right?
Yeah.
Like that. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. Dude, this is addictive. The roti flatbread with the condensed milk and then just adding the vanilla on top. It's like a perfect little pizza. That condensed milk though. Eat Thai and Noodle House was amazing. Those dishes were so hot. My personal favorites were the Hor Mok with the salmon, steamed salmon with curry, and also the papaya salad was incredible. Everything was super delicious, very, very hot. I did the Thai hot, which was like extremely hot. And yeah, I mean, if you're ever in Miami, definitely come down to South Miami and check them out. All you have to do is catch the Metro Rail. It's a South Miami Metro Rail station. From there, it's literally crossing the street, crossing US 1. They're right there. Definitely come here to try some incredible, authentic Thai food. Just amazing. Gotta thank them, and I gotta thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next adventure. And by the way, I literally live walking distance, and I got a lot of food for tonight.